So here you have to take a picture so that you remember what you have to repeat. So here you can see that this red wire is going into this point, okay, from here to here, and in this point there are two wires going, okay, the green one and the orange one. So we just have to repeat the same thing. Even if it is 3.1, which has the earthing one also, the process is exactly same, that you have to take a picture and repeat exactly the same, at least to replace the switch. If you have to do something complicated or something from the scratch, then we will discuss in the next video, but here for simplicity you have to just repeat what's already there. So we'll just lose these screws, remove these wires, and put the new switch and again fasten the wires. By the way, before starting doing anything, you just test with the tester that there is no current in these wires. Anyhow, we have switched the mains, so there is no chance, but at least you can check it for the safety purpose. It's a very simple process. Now wires are separated. This switch we need to remove. So you can see this point from here, you can insert and pull it down and outward, down and outward, so it came out. So this point has to come out anyways. So here you can see I have many switches. We should always keep the stock of the switches, because whatever design and variant that you have, that may discontinue, so it's better to have the stock. So this point needs to go inside, so you can do it like this. Easily it can go. Okay, now we'll just repeat the same connection. Loose the screw. Put the wires back to the same place. Fasten it again. See, one thing is very important, that any two wires, unwanted wires, should not touch or interfere with each other, otherwise there will be short circuit. So that you have to make sure that there is a distance and there are no frills which are touching each other from the wires. So once this is done, we'll just again put it back and screw it here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos on house maintenance.